If you stumbled on my channel seeking for immediate results on glowing up, please go watch Sidemen or MrBeast, because glowing up is not for everyone at the end of the day. You have to get rid of that wishful thinking and commit to the process. This transformative journey is not merely about physical appearance, but encompasses mental, emotional, and social well-being. By committing to a structured plan that integrates fitness, hygiene, nutrition, social skills, meditation, and style, I bet that you can transform your life in 90 days. All right, let's dive in. Number 1, clear and decisive goals. Why do you want to glow up? Is it to achieve a form of social status among your friends? To get the respect you deserve? Or is it just a personal thing you wish to commit to? You must have a connective purpose. The key thing here is knowing exactly what you want. I know a lot of people who do not necessarily need a sexy gym body, but who just want to improve their social skills or work on their mindset. Do not follow the crowd at this stage, because if you do, you are about to waste 90 days of your life. I have added a link below in the description for a 90-day glow-up regime, a meal prep plan, and gym plan. It's only made for those who have chosen to commit. If you do not wish to commit, please do not waste 3 months of your life. Number 2, building physical fitness. A significant component of this glow-up challenge is physical fitness. Engaging in regular exercise not only improves your physical health, but also boosts mental clarity and emotional well-being. This challenge should incorporate a variety of workouts, including cardio, strength training, yoga, and flexibility exercises to ensure a balanced fitness regime. Incorporate full-body workouts. Bodyweight exercises help build strength and tone muscles. Additionally, incorporate activities like jogging and cycling, as it adds variety to keep the challenge exciting. Number 3, nutrition and meal prep. This is a key to make a decision from this day to cut shitty carbs. You cannot glow up if you have fatty carbs stored under your chin, eyelids, and stomach. Pizza, burgers, fries, oils, ice creams, alcohol, cigarettes are killing you. I know we all gotta die someday, but how about living your best life before that day comes? The meal prep plan in the description is cooked up to provide you with all the nourishments needed to tone up your body within these 90 days. Truth be told, physical glow up is one of the most important aspects of glowing up, and you need adequate nutrition to achieve that. Number 4, enhancing personal hygiene and skincare. Personal hygiene and skincare are crucial elements of this challenge. Establishing a consistent skincare routine would help maintain healthy and radiant skin. Skincare maxing is about achieving the glass skin status. You can only achieve that using salicylic acid serums. You must also include daily cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and the use of sunscreen to protect against harmful UV rays. Regular exfoliation and the use of hydrating masks can further enhance skin texture and appearance. Good hygiene practices extend beyond skincare. Regular dental care, including brushing, flossing, and using mouthwash, contributes to a confident smile. Showering regularly, maintaining clean hair, and wearing fresh clothes all play a part in presenting yourself well and maxing out your confidence levels. Number 5, cultivating mental and emotional well-being. Guys, please prioritize your mental health. Glowing up is bullshit if you end up a psychopath. Distance yourself from toxic friends and relationships, arguments, hate speeches, emotional duress, and drugs. Mental and emotional health are integral to this glow-up journey. Imbibe meditation and mindfulness practices as it helps reduce stress, improve focus, and foster a positive mindset. Journaling is another powerful tool to enhance emotional health. Writing down thoughts and feelings as reflections helps to process emotions and gain insights into personal growth. The Glow Up Regime Guide in the description is the perfect blueprint for 90-day transformation. Number 6, develop social skills and personal style. Improving social skills is an often overlooked but vital part of this challenge. Effective communication, active listening, and maintaining eye contact and confidence levels are essential skills for building meaningful relationships. Personal style and grooming also play a significant role in the glow-up journey. Update your wardrobe with well-fitting, stylish clothes to boost your self-esteem. Experimenting with different styles, colors, and accessories would help you discover what suits best and also enhances your personal expression. Lastly, consistency and reflection. The key to a successful glow-up transformation is consistency. Daily commitment to the plan, even with small steps, leads to significant changes over time. Regularly reviewing progress and reflecting on achievements helps maintain motivation. As the 90-day glow-up challenge concludes, the journey does not end. The habits and practices developed during this period would lay the foundation for continued growth and self-improvement. I've taken the extra step to add all the guides needed. The Glow Up Regime Plan, a detailed meal course, and a gym plan. Do well to check it out if you've made the decision to take a step. If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe. Stay consistent, Kings.